Hello, welcome to channel recipes where you can find all the diverse collection of Indonesian recipes. Grip muffler. Ingredients: half a kilogram mackerel head halves, seasoning blender puree, 5 onions, 5 garlic, 10 large chili, 5 cayenne pepper, handful of cayenne pepper for sprinkling, 3 centimeters ginger, 3 centimeters galangal, 2 candle nuts, 1 stem of surat, 2 bay leaves, 2 pieces of lime leaves, 1/2 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon flavoring, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 500 milliliters of coconut milk. Step 1. Heat the oil a little and then input the spices that have been smoothed. Add it to until fragrant. Then input lemongrass leaves. Add it to 2. Then input the coconut milk. Then input the fish head. 3. Put salt, sugar, seasonings, and pepper. Stir after boiling. The taste test and lift. Serve. 4. Good luck! Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.